What's going on, everybody? Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. In this video, I want to do a complete review about a company that has literally changed my life for online marketing and affiliate marketing in general. I'm going to do a complete review of Legendary Marketer. I'm going to show you exactly what the program's about, how you can start making money, and how you can become an affiliate as well. I'm going to go over everything in this video, guys. So before we get started, please subscribe to this channel. I teach you how to make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, but my channel is all about driving traffic and building an online business passively. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you some of my results in the last 3 months, okay? So right here is a screenshot of, well, this is not actually a screenshot, this is the actual page of my total commissions in the last 3 months. Obviously, it says the last 365 days. That's because it's the whole year. But as you can see, in the last month, I did almost 5,000 with this company. And I've only been with this company for about 3 months. And I've only been doing affiliate marketing for 6 months. So I'm very new to the game. But I want to show you how this can be possible for you. Disclaimer, like obviously this results aren't typical. I mean, you can make either more or less than me. But the reason why I was able to do it is because they gave me the tools I needed to be able to make these crazy commissions. So, and I'm just getting started, guys. But anyways, let's go ahead and let me show you around the Legendary Marketer backend. Okay, so first of all, when you first get started with Legendary Marketer, it's only $7. Okay, it's $7 to start the program, and it's called the 15-day challenge. Okay, let me show you what it looks like here. So this is the 15-day challenge, okay? And it's only $7, which is incredible, by the way, because they give you 15 days of like amazing value. And that's why I like this company, because if someone wants to get into online marketing or affiliate marketing, they teach you how to get started, okay? A lot of people, will come to me and they're like, hey, well, I want to do this program, but it's like $5,000. I don't have that money. I don't have that money to spend. So I'm like, okay, well, let's start with this one, $7. And if this is for you, then you'll keep going. But if not, then it's not for you. But the cool thing is people can get started for only $7. And basically, day one is all about the number one secret to building your high ticket, high profit business online. And literally, guys, this is a 1 hour long value packed video on day one, which is amazing. And the cool thing is, from day one, you get to talk to a coach. You get to talk to someone that's going to walk you through the whole 15-day challenge, okay? So you can go here and you can schedule a free session with the coach. And no, it's not a sales call. It's literally trying to help you out, through the 15-day process. So, you don't have to worry about getting sold to anything like that. But, guys, day one's already incredible. And then day two, I'm not going to go through every single day. I want to go through, a few of the days here just to kind of show you what kind of value they offer here. Number two is the core four top high ticket business models online. So he teaches you, you can do affiliate marketing, building your own product. But he kind of goes through, this is also like a 45-minute training, guys. Very, very good trainings. And what's crazy, it's only $7 to get started. At the time of filming this video, this program is only $7 to get started. Now, it could go up, it could go down. I'm not sure. I mean, I would assume that it might go up if anything, but either way, $7 is not that much. It's like it's literally a Starbucks coffee. So anyways, that's day two. Let me go to day three, and then we'll go from there. So day three is let's see here. Day three is really cool because he helps you build a business in 30 minutes, okay? So day three is really cool because you actually get to see how to actually do this stuff, which is really cool because you can actually build a business within 30 minutes and get started. So anyways, guys, I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but basically you can see that this is an amazing 15-day challenge, okay? Now, this is the basics, okay? So, you get started with the 15-day challenge, and if you like, you can get the advanced training where now they teach you how to like really scale up and really 10x your business to start making some really big income online, okay? And that's called the business blueprint. I'm going to go over that right here, okay? So if you go, so this is the business blueprint here. So I'm an affiliate marketer, so yeah, they have different blueprints. So like if you want to build your own brand, your own course, if you want to do coaching, they have different ones. But this is the affiliate marketing one, which is the one I've gone through. And it's really, really good, guys. I mean, it shows you like step by step how to do affiliate marketing. You can see here, this is the back end here. And this is like, if you really want to take it to the next level, if you really want to, start making these crazy like these days right here, we're all making. I mean, there was a day where I had a $15,000 sale, guys. A $15,000 sale. Obviously, I didn't make all of that because I'm an affiliate. I only get part of the commission. But here's the cool thing, okay? So, yes, I made a $15,000 sale, but here's the thing: I didn't do anything. They have coaches, they have sales reps that reach out to your prospects, and they do all the selling and telling for you. And that's the cool thing about Legendary Marketer. And that's when you become an affiliate. Okay, so once you go through the program, you can apply to be an affiliate. And guys, this is the best business model because I don't have to get on call with somebody. You let them do it. They have the best salespeople in the world. Contacting people and providing just a bunch of value. And that's how I was able to make that $15,000 sale, guys. And I just started this business, which is crazy. But anyways, yeah, so that is like I was saying, if you wanted to go through the affiliate training, that's going to show you how to do that. Okay. Now here's another one that's really cool. If you go to it's the Marketers Club. This one I think it's like $25 a month or $30 a month. I'm not sure, but this one is like Netflix for marketers. Okay, so this one's really cool because it has some like interviews with some like 6-figure earners guys, Nathan Lucas, Mark Harbert, Kevin Harrington. Like they have some crazy like content in here where they're teaching you how to start your online business, with their specific strategy. Nathan Lucas, I've watched this whole thing. He talks about how he built his $1 million business with YouTube. Love that training. I've literally watched all this training, guys, and like they keep coming out with more and more. I mean, look at all this stuff. 27 tips to start and scale your business. This is like Netflix for marketers, guys, and this is what's really going to take you to that next level. So anyways, I really recommend that as well. And that's part of the program, and so it's really cool. So now I want to talk to you more about the affiliate program. So once you go through the actual training yourself, you can apply for the program, okay? And that's when you can start making these earnings right here, which is, like this is what I've done in the last 3 months, about $12,318, which is what I've done in the last 3 months, okay? Now, like I said, I've done a lot of work. I've built my systems, I've built my pages, and they teach you how to do that, but I was able to make a lot of commissions in a very short amount of time. And like I know I haven't even touched the surface. I know I'm going to make a lot more money because I'm learning every single day. I'm learning how to get better at what I do, okay? So anyways, let's see. Let me show you the affiliate program, okay? So first of all, I am in the top leaderboards, which is cool because in the last 30 days, I'm under. These are the top guys in Legendary, guys. These guys have all made over 100,000. I know Nathan Lucas has made over $1 million. So I'm in the last 30 days. I'm top 4. Okay. And I don't do that to brag. I just want to show you that it's possible. I'm a brand new marketer, guys, and I'm able to get these like big commission days, okay? But, my goal is obviously to get in this all-time where, this is where I want to be, and I can make a full-time income just with this company, okay? Now, here's the cool thing about being an affiliate, okay? Not only do you get commissions from Legendary, but you're going to get commissions from other sources. Let me show you what that is, okay? So if we go to Pro Streams of Income, so within the Legendary program, they recommend products for people, okay? So obviously if you have an online business, you have to have certain softwares, you have to have certain page builders, email autoresponders, so they do the recommendations for you, okay? So if you're a pro affiliate, which is I believe $30 a month, totally worth it. Like, I mean, if you're not a pro affiliate, you're losing out on a lot of money, okay? So if you're a pro affiliate, they recommend these programs like Clickfunnels. See, I have my Clickfunnels ID here. So I'm getting these free Clickfunnels signups because they're recommending it for me, okay? Remember, this is all done automatic on autopilot. All I have to do is get people to the program, okay? And remember, I love this program. You don't want to promote something that you don't believe in, right? And I've gone through everything. I have learned so much with them, so why wouldn't I promote them? It's going to help you guys out in starting your online business. So anyways, that's why, I always tell people don't promote anything that you haven't done before. So go through the 15-day challenge, guys, if you are interested. But anyways, this Pro Stream of Income, they have ClickFunnels, they have GetResponse, which is an email autoresponder, and obviously this is all stuff that I use. I have GetResponse, I have ClickFunnels, that's what I use for all my pages, stuff like that. But yeah, I mean, this is really cool because you can get more streams of income. Not only legendary, but you're going to get Clickfunnels, autoresponder, stuff like that, okay? Let's see what else here. Oh yeah, so I just hit gold rank, guys. So this is cool. They have different rankings, which is cool. But they have like your rank definitions. Let's see, they have so you know you get bronze when you make $100 in commissions, silver for 1,000, and then gold when you made over 10,000. So this is kind of cool, just to kind of it helps. I like it because it helps me shoot for something. Okay, so I just hit gold. You know, obviously I made over $12,000. Now I'm going for platinum, guys. I'm going for that $100,000 commission. I know I can do it because I've done it in the last 3 months, and now I think I can hit that, you know, $100,000 commission very, very soon. And then obviously diamond would be the next one. And guys, you just continue to get better and better. And the biggest thing is I've been consistent, okay, with everything here. But anyways, that is that. And then yeah, they have some big time marketers. Oh, also guys, this is what's cool. Okay, so the coaches that reach out to you, they're all in these. They've all like hit at least gold. Okay, so like for example, if we go here, I know that, let's see, I think Alex Ford. Okay, so Steph Perez, she does the affiliate blueprint. She teaches that, and she's obviously hit gold. So everyone that's reaching out to you, they've been successful themselves. Okay, you're not getting like people that haven't gone through this. They're not coaching you. It's people that have actually gone through the program. So that's really cool. Mark Harbert, you know, he's up here. Let me see here. I think Alex Ford has helped me a lot. Alex Ford. You know, he did the 15-day, or I'm sorry, the 30-day free traffic challenge. So he's a really great marketer, guys. You know, like all these people. Tyler Pratt, he's an amazing marketer. Follow him on YouTube. I mean, these guys are like some high-end people, okay, that are helping you guys out. Chris Miles is also a really good marketer, guys. Anyways, what I'm saying is you're being coached by these high-end marketers that have done it, okay? You're not getting coached by people that haven't done it. These people have all gone through the trainings, have made commissions, stuff like that. So anyways, guys, I hope this video was of value to you. And if you are interested in joining a legendary marketer, it's going to be the first link in the description below. And guys, I promise you it's going to change your life, okay? As long as you take action, okay? Obviously, if you don't take action, it's not gonna change your life. So you really have to just take action. You have to take the courses that you're taking. You know, even if it's the $7 15-day challenge, and you have to really like dive deep and really like learn it, okay? Because if you just take it and you don't do anything with it, it's not gonna do anything, okay? Anyways, guys, Jonathan Montoya here with Passive Income Lifestyles. Like I said, I hope this video was of value to you. Subscribe to the channel, guys. It helps me grow on YouTube. And comment, like this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a good one.